Seeing brown water after installing a new hot water heater is a common occurrence that typically resolves itself within a day or two. The discoloration typically stems from the disturbance of sediments, rust, and mineral buildup within your water supply lines or the water heater itself during the installation process. The installation process can dislodge accumulated sediment in pipes and disturb mineral deposits that have settled in the water heater tank over time. Minerals like iron, manganese, and calcium naturally present in water settle in the tank over time, and heating accelerates this process. Older plumbing systems with galvanized steel pipes are particularly prone to rust and corrosion, which can be worsened by temperature and pressure changes from a new water heater. A sacrificial anode rod protects the water heater tank from corrosion by attracting corrosive elements. When this rod deteriorates, the tank itself becomes more susceptible to rust. If brown water appears only when hot water is turned on, it suggests rust or sediment within the water heater itself. If it affects all water, the issue is likely in your supply lines. Persistent brown water, especially with well water, may indicate iron bacteria or high mineral content. While brown water is generally not harmful in the short term, it's important to address it to ensure water quality and prevent potential long-term issues.